Well, there's a baby bobcat trapped in the old water tank. We've just put a limb over there to try to give him a way out. Joy and her husband John are here with me.
Always a wildlife adventure with me.
Always a wildlife adventure. We're going to try to get the kitty to move now.
Where's your stick?
You can see he's scared.
Over there. Hey, kitty.
But we're just trying to get him to move over to the other side.
I'll drop the wheel.
I'm going to drop a little pebble, see if we can get him to move. Come on, kitty. Go to the other side. Go on.
You can throw the water on it.
He's thirsty. There he goes.
Oh, fine.
Come on, kitty. You can do it.
He's looking.
You got it. It's all yours.
Come on, kitty.
Go ahead.
Throw a rock.
No, not throw a rock.
I know.
He knows. Don't irritate him, though.
He's looking. Come on, kitty. You can get out of there. Come on, you can do it. That's right. That's right. Come on, you can do it. Go on, kitty.
You can do it.
Go on now. Go on, you can do it. Go on, kitty. Come on. Come on, kitty, you can do it. Get on out of there. Come on. Come on. Come on, get out of there. Come on. Get on out of there. Come on, come on. Get out of there now. Go on, kitty. Yes. Yes.